Where is Big Sean when we need him? I need Big Sean to say, "Oh God." So your girl Kat Stacks unfortunately had a porno film leaked of her and some Miami rapper named Young AC. And Young AC needs to change his name to Young ED, or Young Erectile Dysfunction, because their little porn clip was like less than 5 minutes. Literally. And that includes switching positions. Basically, she gave him head. She rolled him. He hit it from the front. Then he pulled out and said, "Ah, ah, ah," and he was done. In about 4 minutes and was it like 49 seconds? Anyway, it was less than 5 damn minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes and 49 seconds. And hell, they had to sit down at the beginning because they were both standing up. And she ended up taking her shorts down at some point. Anyway, the point is this though. Dude literally lasted 4 minutes or less. Not kidding you. You don't believe me? It's on my blog. If you click the link below, you can see it for yourself, or just ask me for it in the comment section. You know, I really think it's shameful. You know, a lot of people are either like, haha, good for you, Kat Stacks, and they're talking shit about her because she has a lot of haters who hate her because they ain't her. And then a lot of other people like, man, I feel so sorry for Kat Stacks, you know, because she had this tape release. And what woman wants that to ever happen in her lifetime? That's like a nightmare for a lot of women, to have a private, intimate moment released. But she seemed like she didn't really care too much. You know, I mean, she did used to be a prostitute, unfortunately. So maybe, you know, she's very liberal when it comes to her sex life. So it's like not that big of a deal. However, I feel sorry for Young Erectile Dysfunction. Because, I mean, come on now, a 5-minute porno. I mean, what is this, a clip for sale clip? I mean, you know how they have those little websites where they have like 5 minutes of porn and then like, you know, $10 to watch this scene. It's like I know too much about porn. Anyway, the point is this. I need to shut my thirsty mouth before I say something to make myself look and sound even crazier than I already do. I'm just going to turn this goddamn microphone off. But I will say this. The video's on my blog. Click the link below. Check it out for yourself. Can't find the link? Let me know in the comment section. I'll hook you up. Let me, after watching it, or even if you don't want to watch it, let me know what you think about it all below. Be sure to subscribe to the Meat Magazine YouTube channels. Visit meatmagazine.blogspot.com. Follow me on Twitter @meatmagazine. Sorry, Kat, because I know he couldn't have made you come doing that little nothing. He ain't do shit. Meat Magazine on YouTube, meatmagazine.blogspot.com. Follow me on Twitter @meatmagazine. By the way, Kat, I'll give you this whole 3.5 inches if you want to really have a fun time.